State of Maharashtra, where a Shiv Sena MLA has now been seen assaulting a canteen staff. This is the MLA, and the assault has now been captured on camera. You can see the audacious Neta and the assault that is being done by him. Shiv Sena Sanjay Gaikwad is bashing a canteen staff. Multiple punches on the workers. Abusive leader, clearly very drunk on power, arrogant and very, very violent. These are visuals which are coming in from the state of Maharashtra. MLA Sanjay Gaikwad bashing up a canteen staff. The assault happened allegedly because the quality of the food that was being served was not up to the mark. In fact, it's not just the MLAs. The visuals clearly show how his supporters also misbehaved with the canteen staff. Visuals coming in from the city of Mumbai in the state of Maharashtra. Shiv Sena Sanjay Gaikwad bashing up the canteen staff. This allegedly over poor quality food. The staff can be seen folding hands, standing in front of the MLA. This is the Shiv Sena Goon MLA assault which has been caught on camera. My colleague Vidya is now joining me on the story. Vidya, what has happened is very, very clear in this video. Apparently, because the quality of the food was not up to the mark, and this is what the MLA and his supporters believed in, we are seeing this very brazen, very, very violent attack taking place.
In fact, Aishwarya, if you look at the video, the MLA who remember that there's a monsoon session technically going on in the assembly, so all the MLAs are staying in that guest house, and certainly this attack is something that was totally uncalled for, is what many people are saying, especially because generally he could have actually just spoken to the contractor or filed a legal case, is what a lot of people are reacting to after seeing this video. And in fact, the MLA can be seen, not just him, but also his men are beating up that contractor, and he hands over that entire packet and to his people, and then he actually formally launches a couple of fists on him, on the contractor. This is after waiting for some time for the contractor to be brought before him. So of course, with folded hands, the contractor accepted that yes, there was a mistake, and the food was not of the quality that it should have been served to a customer. But then launching of such kind of fist fight and launching slaps on the contractor is not something that a lot of people are accepting. But though neither has Gaikwad reacted to this video, nor has his party spoken about it as yet.
But Vidya, definitely this is something which we will see being picked up in the political circles, because this is a very violent attack. Everything has been captured on camera, multiple punches, very, very clearly seen in the video, and we can see all this being done because of the quality of the food. Arrogant and violence, that is what we can very clearly see in this video. Can you hear me, Vidya?
Yes, Sharia. In fact, yes, it is extremely, uncalled for. The kind of the way that the minister, the MLA from Buldana is seen as attacking the contractor is really uncalled for, is what most people are saying. In fact, the way he's looking out for the people, it's not just the contractor. The person sitting at the counter is also beaten up by the MLA, which is, he gets up and his entire...
Vidya, please stay on with me. Anand Dubey from the Shiv Sena is now joining me on the story. Mr. Dubey, unacceptable. Very clearly we can see what's happening in the video. The MLA, Sanjay Gaikwad, is beating up the staff.
जिनके ऊपर कानून व्यवस्था बनाने की जिम्मेदारी है, जिनको लोग चुन के देते हैं कि आपसे हमारी जिंदगी में बेहतरी की उम्मीद हम लगाएंगे, वही लोग अब सड़कों पर उतर के, होटल में उतर के मारामारी कर रहे हैं। बताइए, ये कौन सी बात है भाई? आप विधायक हैं, खाने में अगर कोई कमी है आप कंप्लेंट कर दीजिए, सरकार आपकी है, फूड एंड ड्रग्स डिपार्टमेंट आपका है, आप अपनी एक शिकायत दर्ज कराइए। लेकिन उसको मार रहे हैं, उस गरीब आदमी को जो खाना परोस रहा है, जो वेटर है, जो मैनेजर है। आप कभी 5 स्टार होटल में तो ऐसा मारपीट नहीं करते हैं, मतलब गरीब ही मिलता है हर जगह। आप बड़े बड़े व्यापारियों का आप कर्जा माफ कर देते हैं, उनको प्यार करते हैं, और जो गरीब आदमी है जिसने आपके लिए भोजन पकाया है, आपसे एक उम्मीद करता है कि आप 10-5 रुपए उसे टिप देंगे, वो टिप तो छोड़िए, आप उसके गाल पर चाटे मार रहे हैं। तो ये सब बहुत दुर्भाग्य है। ये पूरी महाराष्ट्र में कानून व्यवस्था मैडम जी ध्वस्त हो गई है।
जी।
गृह मंत्री जी को कुछ संज्ञान नहीं है और ऐसे मार रहे हैं। बताइए आप उसको, मतलब जैसे वो कोई अपराधी है, और क्या गलती है उसकी? अरे खाना खराब है, बहुत जगह ऐसी शिकायतें आती है, लोग उसको ठीक कर लेते हैं, लेकिन एक विधायक आप भरे और उसकी आप वीडियो भी बनवा रहे हैं, आप बहुत फक्र महसूस कर रहे हैं कि आप उसको मार रहे हैं।
जी।
ये मतलब ये अच्छी बात नहीं है। ठीक है, गलतियां होती हैं, कमियां होती हैं, तो उसका एक तरीका होता है। अरे आप कोई छोटे कार्यकर्ता होते तो एक बार लोग नजरअंदाज करते, आप एमएलए हैं, कई बार के एमएलए हैं। ये जो एकनाथ शिंदे की शिवसेना है, ये पूरी तरह हिंसक हो गई है। ये लोग मारपीट करना,
जी।
लोगों को परेशान करना, यही इनकी अब आदत बन गई।
जी आनंद जी, आनंद जी प्लीज मेरे साथ बने रहिए. Clyde Castro from the NCP is also now joining me. Clyde, everything has been caught on camera. In fact, from what we understand at the moment, it was the MLA who himself asked one of his supporters to make this video.
This is, hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Well, this is absolute gundagiri, right? The Shinde Sena MLA is promoting gundaism. The law and order situation in Maharashtra is so bad that even people who are in the government are thinking that nobody can touch them because of the kind of support that they're getting from the government. Yesterday, their minister, Mr. Pratap Sarnaik, took part in a morcha. While he's in government, he should be the one saying that we should not do all those things. He goes and takes part in a morcha. Fact of the matter is, the law and order situation in Maharashtra is going down the drain. There's no fear of the law, and why there's no fear of the law is because the government is not taking care of the law and order. You can drive over somebody, you can hit somebody, and the law will not take its course because the government is not serious at all. And those in power think they are invincible and nobody can touch them. And this is what is happening. And our MLA, what was the fault of that person? Okay, if the food is stale, if the food is not good, write a written complaint. It is your government. It is your food and administration department. Complain to them. Why should you hit a poor man just because he's poor and he cannot defend himself? Then you go there with your gang of gundas and beat them up. This man should be punished. He should be arrested immediately. The MLA from the Shinde Sena should be arrested immediately. And an example which I think Mr. Devendra Fadnavis is about time to walk the talk. I mean, just by saying that we are taking care of the law and order situation, it's not going to happen. You have to put this MLA under arrest and set an example that people should not take law in their hands.